Welcome to our channel. Today we got given 6 mole skulls. Have a look. These are teeth, these are the 6 skulls, and these are the jaw pieces. We're going to wash them up and get them all clean and white. Now we're going to put them in the pan. Then they're fully submerged. And that one's floating. And then when we've put it on, we've got to wait 25 minutes for them to boil. These look too small to be mole skulls, don't they? But they actually are mole skulls. These are all the teeth going in. It's a lot of teeth. I thought moles would have bigger teeth than this. And they're actually kind of short. Okay. Now we're going to put the lid on. And now we're going to turn it on. Now it's boiling. Now we need to wait 25 minutes. Right, I'm pretty sure they'll be ready now, so I'm going to turn it off. Is it off?
Yep.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Them still look very dirty. We've boiled them up, now they're in here. They're too delicate to wash, so we're going to put some bleach in them. Then hopefully they'll get washed. How much shall I put in, Dad? Just half the box? Or the full thing?
That'll do.
That's done. Now we're going to leave them overnight and see how they look tomorrow. We've just got these mole skulls out of the bleach. They've been in for 24 hours. And we're going to do a giveaway for these ones. But look at the fangs. Didn't know that moles have that short fangs. They dig into you. They're really hard.
Turn it a bit.
And
Put it right up to the camera.
they're proper smart.
Turn it to the side.
These are the 2 we're putting in the display cabinet. That one's the only one without the top of the skull breaking. So we're going to show the inside and the non-inside. So, they're good. And these are all the jaw pieces in that circle. And most of them has got fangs on them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Some of you are going to be lucky and get some of these mole skulls.